Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select instance from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 3.5. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 2. Then we have to click on the OK. After that, you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key and click on anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key and click on anchor point again. Then click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool from here. Then double click on here. Then select the red color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then drag this layer in here. Then select this layer again. Then press and hold alt key. Then take it from this layer. Then double click on here. Then select the green color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then you have to rotate this. Then select the pen tool again. Then click on here. Then click on here and draw a curve. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key. Then click on the anchor point again. Then click on here and here. Then select the move tool from here. Then press and hold alt key. Then take it from this layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then select the yellow color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate this again. Then you have to press and hold alt key. Then take it away again. Then you have to rotate this again. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then unlock the background layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. Then click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to lock this layer again. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then scroll down from here. Then click on the orange. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the drop shadow. Then click on here. Then select the orange color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the paste layer style. Then select this layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then click on the OK. Then select these layers and decrease the size of these layers again. Then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then unlock the background layer again. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. Select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to select this shape. Then right click on here. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then click on the OK. OK. Now we have to select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. So now we have to include the icons and write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. So now we have to open our logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, we have to write this text in here. Then I have to set this text in here. Then I have to select the shape tool from here. Then draw the shape in here. Then click on here. Then select this color from here. Then select the move tool. Then I have to drag this in here. So now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then have to back to the project. Then unlock all layers from here. Then select all layers from here. Then drag these layers in here. Then have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.